Welcome to 309 Production Vlogs here. Taking a vlog right now. I am super bored today. We're having a city ride garage sale, but there's an RC car that I really want. But, of course, I think it's my brother that stole my $20. My $20 sitting on my dresser. Someone either stole it or something like that. So, but today we're supposed to have severe storms. I don't believe it. So, but it looks like it will. It looks like it's going to storm because there's clouds building right now. Right there, right there, right there, and right there. They're popping up all over the place. I wouldn't be surprised if something develops up, but possibility there's probably nothing gonna hit because it's just it always has been that way. Never think this weekend or next week we're supposed to have the St. Jude run, which today is where if you buy a Blizzard, a Dairy Queen, I guess $5 gets donated to St. Jude. So yeah, so I might have to buy me a Dairy Queen for the little kids. So right now there's nothing really going on right now. Because I'm bored. Have nothing better and have nothing to do. Really want that RC car. That's what I really want. Drive it around. It'd be fun. So I'll end it right here. If anything goes on, I'll start posting more videos. But if not, so we'll see. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Right now we're dealing with a situation right now, where some of these storms right now that we're watching are producing like funnel clouds, they're touching down. So we're watching that situation around here. There's still storms out towards that way. I mean, atmosphere is really unstable right now. So eyes are really watery because I've been looking at the skies and stuff like that. I went to a garage sale and that RC car that I wanted, which is called a Hummer. I bought it. It's cool. I already tried it out already. It's really cool. But I have to stay in my backyard because I have to watch my dogs because on the storm right now. I'll show you it. Then we got more storms because that's the first line. Where's the second line is still all the way out there. I'm surprised I haven't seen clouds from it going yet. So nothing better. Leave in the comments below if you want to see videos of my new RC car. Actually, it's me and my brother because me and him put our money into it. So, and we negotiate the price from 30 to 20. So yeah. She didn't take 20. We weren't gonna buy it, but she did 20. So we're all good. Real Gucci, even though that's not a cool word anymore. So, leave in a one more thing. Leave in the comments below. When if I should start live streaming on Facebook more. So yeah. Oh, and then one more thing. think if I should start making Alright, my dad does not like me vlog, so that's why I stopped for that second. So leave in the comments below if I should start making 309 production, t-shirts, mugs, stuff like that. So then if you're watching this, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, 309 Production Vlogs. So enjoy. Have a nice, wonderful day, and the video's done now. I'm not vlogging for us today. I have to work and all sorts of crap, and I'll be playing with my RC car. So, like, smash and hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button.